Heck yeah, give me a task, bud.
Can you grab the jack and put it underneath the diff and get this thing in the air?
Yeah. Gotcha. Off. Yeah. On the Civic.
Especially like with like something like this. There wouldn't be anyone in America with a Skyline.
Right. Exactly. It's like this. This is what we're looking at. The 90. All that.
Like that's obviously clean, but like I don't reckon there'd be anyone in this country with a 33 this short.
I've never
and
seen.
That is a good thing.
Yes, it's a great thing. I've never seen a Skyline prior to meeting him.
No worries, still like that mid Austin.
Uh-oh.
You see all the log coming out when you pull the drill out. What? You see all the bondo coming out when you pull the drill. That's fine.
That's fine.
Still like you're ruining a clean car.
Dude, these are some steely boys, aren't they? I remember these being heavy as shaft. I can't remember. Are they? Yeah, I thought they were heavy as poo.
Alright, so now we gotta pull this off. Oh wait, there's more.
So no self-taps, right?
No self-tap.
Doing it the right way. We're not trying to give people flats.
Why not?
I don't know.
You like James Bond.
James Bondo, yeah. We'll get this side mounted and then we'll go shoot.
Whoa.
Sorry, we started cutting up cars.
Yep.
That's where the night went.
And they said it's all Adrian's fault.
What do you need?
Alright, so I'm gonna cut a little more right here.
There's always a way. It's looking pretty good.
Something ain't right with that guy. Things like this legal over there, man. What about like a wide body like rivet setup?
Tension.
Not so
If it was a tension, you'd probably bring into something else, but I don't know if it's like.
this strap right here or this strap.
Oh. No. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. That makes it look better. It makes it look like this overhang section. It doesn't make it look as bad when it's you got what you got right now.
All right.
Trying to figure out why.
Yeah, they're a month to May finally is over.
So what's that? Oh, month of May?
Yeah.
That's not a good picture of all, so I have to get to the front. Probably never seen we're kind of making it a little.
Yep.
To me, it's like a Honda ridge line around here.
So that's like a unit.
Yeah, see, it's got a bed on it.
Well, it's like a car with a bed, not like a pickup.
Yeah, like an El Camino around here.
So that's got 4 times like these have barras in them. What barras are? 4-litre inline 6.
Okay.
And the turbo variants of those are pretty painful.
Whoa.
With not
Good thing we got the
a whole bunch of
hyper
work, like, there's a lot of
I don't think that's gonna help in this situation. You smoked it pretty good.
They're really, really complicated motors, yeah.
Which is the Cummins engines that we are the diesel truck.
Big boom,
So we
rib
have
nuts.
like Holden Commodores.
Rib nuts
You
changed
guys
my life.
have
Yeah, they're the way.
something similar.
Thanks, Bob.
Okay.
They're like a two-door with an lesson. For us, that'd be a Monaro, but they're the whole new. They have their lesson.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And then further than that, you get what we call
And you can't do anything to them, lower them or raise them.
kind of it's great. It's a matter of just not getting it. It's like ground clearance has to be 100 mil.
I know.
Around that many.
Thought about it.
So that round roller on your car.
Look hot.
And then you've got eyebrow height, which is the center of where your hub is from the wheel to the eyebrow defender. And then people will use that as like a trading card to go and pack it into that.
And we don't have those over here really.
I know, yeah. Which is funny.
Guess your dad's not going with you.
Hey,
Driving the tire was actually smoking so
big girls need loving too.
You were drifting?
No, it looked like we were going drifting.
I noticed your buddies have gotten a lot smaller over the years. I understand that.
Yeah, there was 3 of us packed in the back, and this side's just like a touch higher than that side, and she was on that side, and the wheel was just like smoking
while we were going
as
straight.
We were going
We're
to
gonna have to put some airbags on it.
Yeah. Yeah, we should.
Yeah, because it goes right here and then it goes around.
Yeah, the guys got a kick out of the other day at the office doing circles.
And we've got this side on, we're just trying to match the other side. It's a little bit different because it's got the exhaust cut out, but that doesn't matter. Today we're going to try and put some R33 coupe side skirts on a sedan. The sedan skirts are really hard to find, not cheap, so we're going to try and get her done today. So these are R33 coupe skirts. You just have to cut them down a little bit. Basically the supplies you need for now, plus a cut wheel. Put the tape down just to create a layer so that we don't have to mark on the skirt, and it'll help fiberglass from chipping a bit when we cut it. We basically need to cut out a little bit right here to make this back door still open. So this is just a rough mark right now on where we need to cut, but it'll be a good starting point, and then we'll see what we need to trim up from there to get it mounted. So now we'll go test fit, see what else we need to trim up. So we need to look at where we need to trim. And we'll need to make those cuts. After getting the skirts cut up, we now need to get them mounted. So clean, not going anywhere. Now move on to the back. Also need a mount. Just some cheap Duraflex skirts that was easy to get here in the United States, so that's why we went with this brand. Alright, overall I'm pretty happy with it. I kind of rushed the install a little bit, but we got skirts installed. Looks pretty good, a lot lower. They are pretty sturdy. Doors open, shut. No rubbing. So overall, pretty happy with what we've got going on here.